Springtrap from FNAF. Five Nights at Freddy's. This is a Patreon request from Dave. I was going to draw this guy anyway, Dave. So, good request. Nightmares for a week. I give my kids my drawings that they like want to color in, but I don't think I'll give them this one because they might not sleep. So, landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I'm going to start with those eyelids, right? I think it's the easiest place to start. So, and he's all bumpy and everything's like dirty and scratched and cracked, and so yeah. So we'll go around, right? And we're going to add like some cracks as we go. So these like sort of dark areas around this top eyelid line, right? And these can be, most of these areas I will color black, right? So like saying here, I might do them all at once at the end, but they will look like this mostly, right? These little black cracks. Because he's got like all these sort of holes in his body and everything, right? So it's kind of detailed, right? But the eyelid sort of comes around here. Like that. And then the socket, the eye socket, kind of comes around this way. And it's kind of black and bumpy and stuff. Like that. And then it has like these bumpy sort of edges to it here with a crack that runs like the whole way down his face. So I'll just start that like that. And we'll add those details. We'll just get the eyes in. So his like white eyeball. Right, so it's kind of dark around here. And then you just want to add like a white circle that goes up underneath there. And it's kind of black around. Okay. And then his iris and pupils, so a circle, gray, and then a circle inside. And then there's either veins or cracks in his eyes. So I'll go like a mixture of both. He's basically, you want to make him look like as beat up or as dirty as possible. So you're going to do that on the other side as well. Same sort of thing, right? And then just add some like black cracks and stuff to this eyelid. Right, and then his eye socket. And then the round eyeball. Let's go black in here. Lots of these black shadowy areas now. And then his iris and pupil. And his pupils like are white, you know, he's like a ghost sort of thing. Creepy. And cracks and stuff all in his eye, veins or cracks. I guess it wouldn't be veins because he's a robot, so. Like another crack here. Right, so his nose is not a nose. It's like just a black beat up shape. And a bit of a crack here. And it's got a bit of an edge on the bottom. And then the mouth, so his mouth like follows this crack from his cheek and then just kind of like bumps around here. All crazy like. And lots of cracks again. It's got like a bit of a snout here. And then I think this goes up his face that way. Okay, there's like a hole here. Okay. And then this continues for like the side of his head. So it goes like around, bumping around, eventually meets an ear up there somewhere. And then this one, same sort of thing. And he's got all these wires sticking out of his head and everything. This comes around up to his ears that stick out there. Then you got like a hole, right? With wires coming out. And they're like all different colors. But I'll just do them black because I'm using a black pen. And it's like a black shadowy hole here. Okay. And then like textures and dirt and everything all over this. There's like another crack in his head here with wires coming out. There. So before I do the ears, we'll just get the bottom jaw. So his bottom jaw kind of comes down this way. And then there's all teeth inside here. And like his bottom lip is just like cracked and bumpy and stuff as well. All coming around like all destroyed sort of stuff. Right. And there's like a wire here. And his teeth, so he's just got like big cartoony white teeth, right? So like big. And then some on the bottom. And like in between it, it'll just be like black. Some of them have like edge lines to them and stuff. Kind of like that. And in between all those teeth will be color black. And I'll do that all at once because it'll take a while. So we'll go up to the top of the head. And what can we see? So like bits of metal. It looks like pink flesh and stuff. Okay, so there's like his ear sort of attaches to his head, like here. Like he's got this little box or something. And then comes around. Right. And this goes around that way. And then again, there's like holes in the head here. Loads of little wires sticking out. And the top of his head comes across here, and then his other ear sticks out like this way. then there's like all like wire and holes and crazy stuff. So this ear is like broken. Right, and this will have like a big wire coming out the top. And like a pipe maybe. And like these things all have edges and cracks and stuff on them. Like another wire or pole or something in there. And so basically broken head, broken ear. So this other one, different. Okay, so it goes that way first, and then it's got like broken sections, and then like an inner ear part coming around here. Okay, and then top of the ear there. Comes down around here, and it's got like cracks and stuff, and it's all black in here, it looks like. Tip of it there. Around like so. And like textures and cracks and dirt and everything all over. And there seems to be like some pipes and stuff in there, and then black around. Okay, so there's these green plates that come around the body, right? So they look like jigsaw puzzle kind of things. All bumpy, and then it's all dark on the inside. Or it has like metal inside. So this is like his body coming down there. And it kind of just all goes around. It's all broken and like that, right? And then there's like a button, a broken button here. And then the back armor pit here. And another sort of broken part that goes up around the back here, right? And these can have, you can give these kind of 3D edge lines, right? So it's like a little sort of a line that kind of follows the edge. It just makes everything look like it's raised up. Makes it look a bit more three-dimensional, basically. Just a little trick like that, right? Gives the illusion of 3 dimensions. And there's like another line going that way. And then like there's all these pipes, right? And like wires coming down his chest. And there's like a pipe here, a big one. It's like his collarbone. And there's all pipes for his neck. And in between them will be like dark black and stuff colored in. A lot of shadows in here. So you basically put like loads of shadow in here, all around the wires and the pipes and stuff, and it makes everything look like it's deeper than it is. Okay. So that's all I can see of the body, right? And you can add like dirt and scratches and like textures and everything to all that. And then the shoulder pad sort of floating or something there. There's like a hole in it. Seems to be another little shoulder pad or something here. And then his arm, so a broken sort of thing again. It's got a little edge line that runs around. And then it goes down. And it's got like holes in it. A few of them. And like little dark sections inside there. And like black holes there. So that's his body, and then that's one arm. And then there's like pipes and everything in here, but we'll just get the other green part of the arm in first. Complicated enough guy, this. I'm surprised. Thought it'd be easier. Like that, right? And you give it just an edge. Like that. So in here we gotta add like, so the collarbone, sort of the pipe comes out around here, right? So you'll just add like wheels, what look like sort of these little sort of bumps coming around here. And there's like a ball and socket sort of joint thing going on. There, right? Okay, and then something similar on this side. You can see less of it, but I'll add a few of these. They're like these rubber gaskets, and then what's like a ball with something around it, and then stuff going down there. And then it's all kind of black around. Black all in there. And wires and dark all in there, and then like dirt and stuff all over them. Scratches and everything. And I'll color in all around these all black. I'll just add black to them, and it'll make everything look a bit deeper, kind of like the stuff on his face and in between his teeth. So that's Springtrap from FNAF. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the request, Dave, on Patreon. See you in the next one. Bye.